Hola from beautiful Marbella. We are
Sylvia.
and Marjolein Boer.
We literally are Maritime Sisters, and we are on a mission to propel the transition towards a sustainable maritime future.
And we challenge the status quo in every way, not as a goal in itself, but for a truly future-proof maritime world.
Why? Well, because we were born with maritime DNA and because we believe the maritime industry is crucial for our society.
And we are eager to meet the bright minds present at Ecoislas to discuss the transition towards a greener, more profitable, self-sufficient and environmentally sustainable socio-economic model.
We're super excited to deliver the workshop Navigate the Future by sharing insights, trends and developments and the challenges our industry is currently facing.
But mostly how we are reframing those challenges into opportunities through smart collaborations by going from a linear towards a circular approach and by leveraging technological developments.
By empowering the collective intelligence present, we look forward to fruitful discussions and to finding new solutions and pathways.
So will you navigate the future with us at II Foro Internacional?
Hasta pronto!